Pala pinipindot mo siya ng ano, matagal.
Matagal kasi siya.
Okay na.
Pinipindot na yan.
So, ngayon ko lang na-discover bakit yung mga comfort room or restroom dito WC. Akala ko withholding tax compensation. Ibig sabihin pala niyan, water closet.
Wow!
Diba? Dagdag kaalaman. Ito, share ko lang to guys. Bali, bumili kami ng tubig sa grocery store and halos lahat ng mga bottled water nila, yung takip, hindi mo siya maalis ng buo. Ganyan lang siya. Oh. Yan. Meron siya palaging ano, yung parang connecting doon sa mismong bottle. Ganyan halos dito sa Europe. So yan. Straight. Welcome to Bonn, Germany. McDonald's in Germany. Oh, who are these?
I told you, scientists, authors, musicians.
Group picture mo na daw.
Beethoven's house.
Come together. That's where his godmother, for example, lived. The figure upstairs that we used in Africa.
Church. Up. Here's the plaza. Dito yung Old City Hall. Ayan siya guys. Dito sa Bonn, Germany.
Roman Catholic cathedral, and it was built for several hundred years. Well, Cologne was, they like to be like Paris, so they have their own Moulin Rouge. Moulin Rouge.
City of Cologne. Here's the map. Lamig.
Can I even take on
This is the cathedral. Cologne. Look at the structure.
Wow!
Ganda niya. Sa UNESCO Heritage Site. Papasukan natin yan guys. Dito sa Cologne, Germany. Social yung pagsisindi ng kandila dito guys. pwede kang magbayad through credit card.
Wow!
You know, donation. 10 euros. 10 euros. Pwede naman yung manual. Manual. Donkey.